Hello everyone, this is Suchi. Welcome to my channel. Today let's learn about respiration in plants. Plants exchange gases through stomata. Carbon dioxide and oxygen are exchanged by the process called diffusion. This depends on the environmental conditions and requirements of the plants. Diffusion is a random movement of molecules from a region of high concentration to a region of low concentration. During nights, there is no photosynthesis process occurring and carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere. During daytime, carbon dioxide is generated during respiration and this is used for photosynthesis and in turn oxygen is released. Now, coming to respiration in animals. Terrestrial animals use oxygen in the atmosphere, which is absorbed by different organs in different animals. All these organs have a structure that increases the surface area which is in contact with the oxygen rich atmosphere. Animals in water need to use the oxygen dissolved in water. The rate of breathing in aquatic animals is much faster than terrestrial animals as the amount of oxygen dissolved in water is low compared to atmospheric oxygen. Now coming to human respiratory system. The human respiratory system comprises of the following parts: nostrils, that is nose, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and alveoli. The last bronchi, bronchioles, and alveoli together forms lungs. The lungs and the respiratory system allow us to breathe. Breathing is the physical process of inhaling oxygen, that is, taking oxygen into the body, and exhale carbon dioxide, that is, send out carbon dioxide from the body. This process is carried out by lungs and respiratory system. Respiration is the process by which energy is released from food into our body. The following important features occur in the respiratory system. Energy is generated by the broken down of glucose molecules in the living organisms. Oxygen is inhaled and is transported to various parts and are used in the process of burning food particles. The obtained glucose molecules are used for discharging energy in the form of ATP. Now let's know about respiration in humans. Humans have exterior left and right nostrils which are divided by a framework of cartilaginous structure called nasal septum. Tiny hair follicles are present on the inner lining of the nostrils, that is nose, which act as the body's first line of defense against foreign pathogens or foreign particles. The passage is also lined with mucus, which helps in the process of filtration. From the nostrils, air passes through the throat and to the lungs. Rings of cartilage present in the throat support the air passage. Within the lungs, the air passage divides into bronchi, which then divides into smaller tubes called bronchioles, which finally terminate into a balloon-like structure called alveolar sac or alveoli. The walls of the alveoli have an extensive network of blood vessels. When we breathe in, ribs are lifted, diaphragm is flattened, and the chest cavity is enlarged. So now the air is sucked into the lungs and fills the expanded alveoli. Here the exchange of gas takes place. Blood brings carbon dioxide from the rest of the body and released into the alveoli. Oxygen in the alveolar air is taken by blood and transported to all cells of the body. Blood contains the respiratory pigment, that is hemoglobin, which is present in the red blood corpuscles, which has a high affinity or attraction for oxygen. So, which helps in the transport of oxygen in all parts of the body. Carbon dioxide is more soluble in water and so it is mostly transported in the dissolved form in our blood. This is how respiration and exchange of gas takes place in humans. So now let's stop here. Hope you have understood the process. Please watch, share and comment in the comment section. You can also make a request for any topic needed. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to get notified. Thanks for watching.